Hey, Sendsparkers, thank you so much for creating an account with us and joining us on the free plan. Now that you have this plan, I'm going to go ahead and show you what our free plan has to offer. So, with our free plan, you can actually go into this drop down and you can add a personal avatar or a company logo. Those will show up here and up here. So, you'll go to My Account and then you'll be able to add that picture right there. Now, notice there's this section where you can add your name and your job title. I do highly recommend adding your name here because if you go to send someone a video request link, maybe you need them to record a video testimonial, then that video request link will have your name on it. And yes, on the free plan, you will have access to sending video request links. Going down a little further, you also will have access to the default meeting links. So this is amazing and very convenient. This is going to give you access to your meeting links right away, especially if you're using our integration with LinkedIn, for example. Super convenient. The other thing that you're going to have access to is creating folders. Folders are amazing and a huge game changer. This is going to keep your videos super organized. Additionally, you'll have the ability to add more team members to your workspace and share your videos. You can do that by going up to that avatar or that little icon and go ahead and add the email addresses of the team members you wish to invite. Just keep in mind that if you are going to add more than one team member at a time, you will want to separate those emails with a comma or by hitting enter. And the most important part is recording videos. So you can actually record videos two ways. We have the ability to record videos using our Sendspark Chrome extension and with the web browser. Now, we do, of course, highly recommend using the Sendspark Chrome extension, and that's because it's going to give you a couple of other features. It's going to give you the best experience. You're going to have integration access with Gmail, LinkedIn, Intercom, Outreach, Zendesk, and HubSpot. The list is getting pretty long. You're also going to have the ability to record both face and screen together, just like how you see here. And although this is a pro plan feature, you'll be able to use templates as well. Super efficient. Now, the other way that you'll be able to record videos is with our web browser. Now, this is super quick and easy to use as well, and you won't have to download anything or install anything. Now, you're probably going to want to upgrade your plan later on after you've kind of used the free plan and understood the abilities that you have with this free plan. Now, if you do want to upgrade, it's super easy to do. It's going to give you access to things like call to action, templates, so many other features that are going to really help you out, especially if you're trying to increase engagement. But to upgrade that, you'll go up here to that drop down again and go to your billing portal. So here in the billing portal, just go ahead and choose the plan that you'd like. It's super easy. It's just by one click. And of course, if you need any help, you can always reach out to us at help.sendspark.com and we'll be happy to assist you. And also, depending on which plan you choose, if you want to choose pro or business, feel free to check out my other videos where I show you the features on pro and also the features on business. But thank you so much for checking out my video and happy recording.